Yeah, I would say in general, when you're adding and subtracting fractions, I think it's just better to get the common denominator first.
That's what I did, yeah.
Yeah, common.
Okay, common denominator. So on the left, I guess it would be 1 plus sine x times 1 plus sine x over 1 plus sine x times 1 minus sine x.
Okay.
And then on the right, it would be, so it's, I guess, minus 1 minus sine x times 1 minus sine x over 1 plus sine x times 1 minus sine x.
Okay.
And then I guess you can just make the bottoms for both of those cosine squared x.
Okay.
So let me just write that real fast on paper.
Did you FOIL it?
Yeah, I'd FOIL it.
Okay, so 1 plus sine x, 2 sine x.
And it's usually always good to FOIL linear terms because you'll get your squared sine terms, right? And then that way you can probably use the Pythagorean identity at some point.
Right.
Yeah, so foiling is probably another step to think about.
Okay, so then you have minus 1 minus 2 sine x plus sine squared x.
Okay.
And then you could have like a cosine squared x, I think, on both of those sides.
Okay, I wouldn't look at that yet. So what happens? I would just look at what you have so far. What's going to happen in this expanded version?
Well, 1 minus, okay, so you'd have 4 sine x.
Yeah, that's what's left, right? 1
Yeah.
minus 1, sine squared minus sine squared. And then you're adding a 2 sine x, right?
Yeah. Okay, so then you would just have 4 sine x over cosine squared x, and then that's 4 tan secant x.
Yeah. Yeah, because you split up the cosine squared x, and you put one of them with the sine, and the other one's just into the reciprocal.
Yeah.
Okay.